When we were looking for houses, I immediately fell in love with this home because it has this beautiful, timeless feel, I guess. It was just a home I saw us in forever. It was built in the 90s, and so it looked very 90s, but I knew that I could fix that. My main goal is a home that's modern but timeless. I wanted to add lots of color and textures. I was creating these beautiful spaces, but the flooring was dark and drab. I've been a huge fan of STAINMASTER forever. It's beautiful, it's durable, it offers a large selection of styles and colors. I want a space that's beautiful, but I also want a space that my 3 kids can live in. The new STAINMASTER flooring, it's like the final piece to making this Oasis ours. STAINMASTER just knocked it out of the park, and it's brightened every single space in our home.